I solemnly place myself before God and in the presence of this assembly to pass my life in purity and to practice my profession faithfully. I will abstain from whatever is deleterious and mischievous, and will not take or knowingly administer any harmful drug. I will do all in my power to maintain and elevate the standard of my profession, and will hold in confidence all my personal matters committed to my keeping, and all family affairs coming to my knowledge in the practice of my calling. With loyalty will I endeavor to aid the physician in his work, and devote myself to the welfare of those committed to my care. Your journey starts with the Nightingale Pledge. You are hopeful. You are unbreakable. You are a healer. You are a savior. Whatever comes to your way, you don't pursue patients, you don't disappoint them. And how do you do it all? How are you not afraid all the time? Because you feel it, and you push yourself there anyway for your patients. You don't leave their side. From Code Blue to Caesar, from labor room to the ICU, you are always there for your patients. Maybe you have left your passion for becoming a nurse because you want to help people. You are the heart of healthcare delivery system. And the fun fact about the heart is, if we don't have one, we will die. The brain, the liver, the lungs, the spine, the heart, the vital components of our body need each other for our very survival. Medicine is about the solution to make people better, and nursing is about caring to feel people better. This 2020, the birth bicentenary of Florence Nightingale, is the year of nurses and midwives. And it is the year for you, as you are a nurse.